This is a one-owner 2006 Chevy Silverado Crew Cab, 131,000 miles. The vehicle is running. It is in wonderful condition, rust-free, perfect student truck, very, very clean. Tow package, sprayed in bed liner, not a door ding on this thing, very clean. Tires are in great condition. Rust free. Cloth interior is in great shape. No cracked dash, 131,000 miles. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise control. So this is a one-owner 2006 Chevy Colorado Crew Cab with 131,000 miles, 6-cylinder, actually 5-cylinder. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically, in wonderful, wonderful condition.